I've always wanted my own office space and studio. Luckily, Natalie was able to oblige me by letting me move into the old baby's room. So Alexis turned 3 and she moved into one of our other rooms. Not like we have this huge house, but she moved into the other room and we got her situated, which gave us the opportunity to turn this room into an office. It was pretty awesome, and Ethan, my son Ethan, was able to help us. He's a YouTuber also. What's your YouTube handle, Ethan?
Fresh Ethan.
Fresh Ethan is his YouTube name. You heard that right. Fresh Ethan. So far he has 9 subscribers, but I'm pretty happy because he has 10 subscribers. Correction. Because he's doing his own videos, and I'm excited to see him do that if he really wants to do that. So anyways, here's a video like any other YouTuber about how we repurposed the room and turned it into my man cave / office.